Hello guys, today I've got a T-Mobile 5G router DL5M2 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the backup, how to create it, how to use it. At first you need to log in into your control panel here, and the address IP address of this website is given to you on the sticker right here. Website, username and password. So here on this sticker, in this panel, you need to tap these three lines in the top right corner. Here, as you can see, system and profile. Here it's not called backup, it's called profile, because we can export here all the settings we have made to our profile. So tap export. Here download, and this is a backup. Then you need to here tap import if you want to import a backup. So that's it. Goodbye.